How to connect Topstep to Ninjatrader. I'm going to tell you how to connect Topstep to Ninjatrader the easy way. First, install RTrader Pro. You'll need it to act as a bridge between your Topstep account and Ninjatrader. Log in using the credentials from your Topstep welcome email. Set the system to Topstep Trader and make sure Allow Plugins is enabled. Then open Ninjatrader 8, go to Tools, Options, and enable Multi-Provider mode. After restarting Ninjatrader, go to Connections and then Configure. Select Rhythmic for Ninjatrader brokerage and enter the same login you used in RTrader Pro. Name the connection something like Topstep, enable plugin mode for market data, and save. Make sure RTrader Pro is running in the background, then connect to Topstep from the Ninjatrader Connections tab.